Hey guys, Stephen Homer here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana with today's segment of Cop Talk. Today we are going to begin with a scenario where an officer happens to pull over an individual. That individual has a suspended license when he gets pulled over, which is a misdemeanor. And the officer has a decision to make, and that decision is either A, they make the arrest, which in Indiana, or at least in our community, requires them to also tow the vehicle. Now you've got an individual that is dealing with a towed vehicle. You've got an individual that is dealing with, maybe they lose their job as a result, maybe they end up not being able to feed their kids, maybe they end up on welfare, who knows, as a result, they happen to have a suspended license and couldn't get to and from work as a result. The other side of that is, if an officer is doing his, so if the officer says, you know what, I'm going to cut this person a break, and they let the guy or gal go, now that individual could potentially come back if they have an accident.
Oh, absolutely.
Come back on the department saying you didn't do your job.
Right. And to clear it up on you were talking about suspended driver's license. There are several levels of having a suspended driver's license. There's suspended infraction, which is just a ticket. You obviously don't get to leave the scene, but you just get a ticket. What
would cause that to happen? What's suspended infraction?
Suspended infraction is just what it is. It's an infraction ticket. It's basically the first level of suspension to where you get your driver's license in the state of Indiana, which is a privilege. Not
sure.
You get suspended. You get a suspended infraction, which means it's just an infraction if you get pulled over. If you rack up so many other points, then it goes to suspended prior, which is now a misdemeanor if you get pulled over.
Gotcha.
And then after that, it goes to HTV, which are habitual traffic offender, which is a felony, and you do get arrested.
Gotcha. So this is a tough situation for you guys when you're out on the road, and you have to make that decision between make the arrest and not make the arrest.
It's probably different with a lot of different counties. It's basically going to be on the prosecutor's office what they want you to do. If they want you to make the arrest, or is there going to be other charges if it's an OVWI, or if it's a drug-related case in that traffic stop, then obviously that's going to play into it also.
Absolutely. All right, guys, we want to know your opinion. Don't hesitate to post down below. Certainly be sure and check out our Patreon channel as well. We'll have the link down below, and we will also be giving behind-the-scenes footage there at Patreon. Thank you. Take care.